Hey Wag'n family! We recommend having your air conditioner professionally cleaned to ensure you and your furry clients stay cool during the warm summer months. This is important because the air conditioner cooling coil or evaporator coil can become compacted with hair and dander over time, and the air conditioner cooling performance may be impacted as a result. We recommend having your air conditioner cleaned and inspected by an RV service center. They will check the AC unit for debris and damage, professionally clean the coils and drains, replace gaskets and filters as needed, perform electrical and performance tests, and check the installation to make any necessary corrections. The frequency of this maintenance will vary based upon your climate and usage. For moderate climate, where the air conditioner is used primarily in the summer, we recommend this is done once a year in the spring. For hotter climates, or if the air conditioner is going to be used all year, a more frequent interval may be more appropriate. To access the air conditioner, they will need to get to the roof. It's important to note that the roofs of our vehicles are not suitable to walk on, so a board will need to be added to allow any weight to be distributed across several roof members. Once access to the air conditioner has been secured, the outer cover, also known as the shroud, will need to be removed. Once the shroud has been removed, the cover in the front of the air conditioner, which is called the evaporator housing, will need to be removed. Once the evaporator housing is removed, the cooling coil, known as the evaporator coil, should be accessible. Using a soft bristle brush, they will remove any hair or dander compacted in the fins, taking care not to bend the fins. Once the hair and dander has been removed, the coils can be cleaned with a coil cleaner solution. Once the coils have been thoroughly cleaned and everything else has been checked, the evaporator housing and shroud can be reinstalled. To prevent hair and dander from getting into the coils, remember to keep your air conditioner filters clean daily. First, vacuum the filter grid. Then, remove the filter and rinse all of the hair off. For vans equipped with a generator or a generator inverter hybrid power system, use a soft bristle brush or upholstery attachment to clean the face of the evaporator coil. Be careful not to damage the fins or the surface of the coil. For clean power system vehicles, access to the coil may not be accessible from the interior. In this case, the coil will need to be professionally cleaned following the procedure outlined earlier. Finally, replace the filter in the filter grid. To check the air conditioner cooling performance, measure the temperature of the air in the salon below the filter. Next, measure the temperature of the cold air coming out of the vents. The difference between these two should be around 18 to 22 degrees Fahrenheit. For more information on troubleshooting your Wag'n vehicle, check out our other videos online or visit us at wagntales.com. Thanks for watching.